In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily log out your Instagram account from other devices. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Instagram app. Once it is done, tap right here to go to your Instagram profile. Then tap at these three lines. Select Account Center. After that, tap Add Password and Security here. And that's where you can easily find where you are logged in. If you tap on that option, you will be taken to the page where first off you need to select your Instagram account, and after that it will show you your account login activities. So here in this list you can check all the devices where your Instagram account is currently logged in. Here I have iPhone 15 Pro, which is my current device, and also I have logged with my Instagram account on Windows device. Here we can tap at Select Devices to log out, and then we can select one or multiple devices, and then by hitting Add Logout button you can easily log out from your account at all the selected devices at once. If you suspect that someone else may have known your account password, I recommend you to head over back to Password and Security and change your password by hitting right here. Now I'm going to tap at Change Password, select my Instagram account, and that's where we can change it. So first off, at the first field we need to enter our current password. Then we need to create new one by entering it right here. Keep in mind that password must be at least 6 characters long and should include a combination of numbers, letters, and special characters. After that, you need to enter your password here and then just tap at that button to change it. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.